So if I declare a variable such as int number as a sign 5, I'm going to do an if statement. If number equals 5. So double equals, if the value in number is 5, then let's go system.out.println equal. And I could leave it at that, but I haven't catered for what happens if I've got a value other than 5. So let's go else, if it's not 5, let's look at another value. Else if maybe the value in number is greater than 5. And this time we're going to output, let's say, higher. So it's good. I've got two conditions. What happens if it's 5? Well, we're going to output equal. If it's greater than 5, we're going to output higher. But what if it's less than 5? The other option we've got up our sleeve. Well, here, instead of doing else if, because it's the only other option it could be, because we've covered equal to and greater than, I'm just going to do an else. And this time I'm going to output lower. So only one of those three words is going to output. If the value is 5, which it is, you can see we're going to have the word equal output, and then the rest of this if statement is going to be skipped. However, if I change it to say 45, we're going to evaluate number equals 5. That's now going to be false. So we're going to skip line 8. Not going to run it at all. We're going to jump down and look at the second condition. Well, is the number greater than 5? In this case it is, so we're going to output higher. And at this point we're going to ignore everything after else. If there happened to be some code from line 14 onwards, then our program would continue running from there.